Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best White Shoulders powder is probably one of the most iconic and beloved fragrances in a unique powder formulation, offering a timeless elegance and a delicate, sophisticated scent that has captivated generations with its powdery floral notes and subtle musk undertones, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a classic and refined aroma that lingers beautifully throughout the day. Number 5. MANIC Panic Flash Lightning Bleach Kit. Ready to transform your look? Our powerful bleach kit is designed to lift dark hair significantly, giving you a vibrant new canvas. Experience dramatic lightning results. This formula can lift your hair up to 7 levels, perfect for achieving bold colors or a lighter base. Get professional level results with our 40 volume developer. It works effectively with the bleach powder to ensure maximum lift. Feel good about your choice. Our product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can lighten your hair with a clear conscience. This is your go-to solution for lightening dark hair. Achieve the bright, beautiful results you've been dreaming of with ease. What we like? This product offers extreme lightening capabilities, lifting hair up to 7 levels. It's also proudly vegan and cruelty-free. If you're looking to achieve dramatic blonde results or prepare for vibrant color, this is your go-to. What people say. This is a classic scent that is very powdery and floral. It has a light, fresh scent that is not overpowering. Number 4. VERB Volume Dry Texture Spray. Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Introducing a revolutionary spray designed to instantly boost your hair's volume. Get ready for fuller, more voluminous locks. This incredible formula adds fullness and a weightless grit to your hair. It's the perfect way to achieve that effortlessly styled look with enhanced body. Experience incredible texture without any stiffness or heavy residue. It provides the perfect amount of hold and separation for a natural feel. We believe in clean beauty. That's why this product is formulated without sulfates, parabens, or gluten. It's gentle on your hair and scalp. Achieve salon-worthy volume and texture with ease. This spray is your secret weapon for creating stunning hairstyles that last. Discover the difference a truly effective texture spray can make. It's designed to give you the volume and grit you desire for any look. What we like? Achieve incredible volume and fullness with this spray. It provides a weightless texture without any heavy residue. If you desire big, bouncy hair or need a little extra oomph for styling, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a classic scent that is very powdery and floral. It has a light, fresh scent that is not overpowering. The powder is very finely milled and applies smoothly. Number 3. Camille Beckman French Vanilla Body Powder. Indulge in the luxurious feel of our talc-free body powder. It leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. Enjoy the enchanting aroma of French vanilla that gently perfumes your skin. It's a subtle and sophisticated fragrance you'll love. Our body powder is completely talc-free, offering a safe and gentle alternative for your skincare routine. Feel confident and comfortable all day long. This perfumed dusting powder is designed to keep you feeling fresh and dry. It's the perfect finishing touch after your bath or shower. Each container holds a generous 3 ounces of our exquisite body powder. You'll have plenty to enjoy for a long time. Trust in the quality and elegance of Camille Beckman. This body powder is crafted with care for a truly delightful experience. What we like? Experience a delightful French vanilla fragrance with this talc-free body powder. It leaves your skin feeling soft and soothed. If you love a sweet, comforting scent and prefer a talc-free option for sensitive skin, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The powder is very fine and applies smoothly. It has a classic, powdery scent that lasts for a long time. A little goes a long way, making it a good value. Number 2. Evyan White Shoulders Perfume Bath Powder. Indulge in the classic scent of white shoulders. This luxurious bath powder offers a delicate way to enjoy a beloved fragrance. Transform your bath into a fragrance sanctuary. Its fine powder dissolves beautifully, leaving your skin soft and subtly perfumed. Designed for those who appreciate enduring sophistication. It's the perfect addition to your daily ritual for a touch of grace. Enjoy the signature white shoulders aroma in a unique bath experience. It provides a gentle, lingering scent that captivates. Elevate your self-care routine with this exquisite bath powder. It offers a refined way to envelop yourself in a beautiful, classic fragrance. What we like. Indulge in the timeless, classic floral scent of this bath powder. It provides a silky smooth finish to your skin. If you appreciate a delicate, sophisticated fragrance and want to add a touch of luxury to your daily routine, this is ideal. What people say. This is a classic scent that is not overpowering. It has a light, powdery fragrance that is perfect for everyday wear. The powder is finely milled and applies smoothly, leaving a soft, silky feel on the skin. Number 1. Evyan White Shoulders Eau de Cologne Spray. Discover the classic scent that has captivated for generations. Evyan White Shoulders offers a fragrance that is both delicate and enduring. This iconic eau de cologne is designed for the modern woman. Its sophisticated aroma is perfect for any occasion, day or night. Enjoy this generous 4.5-ounce spray bottle, ensuring you have plenty of your favorite scent. It's perfect for daily wear or special moments. The light and refreshing notes make it an ideal choice for those who prefer a subtle yet memorable fragrance. It leaves a lasting impression without being overpowering. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This classic fragrance is a wonderful choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show you care. It's a gift of pure sophistication. What we like. This offers a refreshing and light scent with invigorating citrus notes. It's an eau de cologne spray designed for a long-lasting fragrance experience. If you're seeking a crisp, uplifting scent that stays with you throughout the day, this is a perfect everyday choice. What people say. The scent is a classic floral, powdery, and slightly sweet fragrance that is perfect for everyday wear. It leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth, and the powder helps to absorb excess moisture. The packaging is elegant and timeless, with a beautiful vintage-inspired design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.